Question number 13. What is 4 squared? Another way of saying this is 4 to the power of 2. So what is 4 squared? Well, let's talk through what square number means. 1 squared means 1 times 1, which is 1. 2 squared, which means 2 times 2, which is 4. 3 squared is 3 times 3, which is 9. 4 squared we'll come back to. Let's do a few more first. 5 squared is 5 times 5, 25. 6 squared is 6 times 6, which is 36. 7 squared is 7 times 7, which is 49. 8 squared is 8 times 8, which is 64. 9 squared is 9 times 9, which is 81. And 10 squared is 10 times 10, which is 100. The reason why these are called square numbers, and it's the answers on the end which are actually the square numbers, so that's how you generate the square numbers. If you need a list of square numbers, you just go 1 times 1, 2 times 2, 3 times 3, 4 times 4, 5 times 5 and work out the answers, and they'll be your square numbers. The reason why they are square numbers is because, for example, in a 6 by 6 square, so 6 squared would mean 6 by 6 square, and that square is 6 down, 6 across. But inside that, you've got 36 mini squares. If you counted all these squares up inside the square, there would be 36 mini squares. So that's why 6 squared is 36. Now we've got to do 4 squared. So there's two ways we could do it. We could just simply do 4 times 4, which is 16, because it's times by itself, so that's 16. But if you want to prove it using a diagram, you would need to do a 4 by 4 square. So 4 by 4 square, 4 down, 4 across, count the mini squares, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So 4 by 4 squared, 4 squared, in other words, is 16. Final answer, 16.